Kucoin is the best crypto exchange for these reasons. KYC is optional. You can earn crypto passive income, crypto lending, trading bots, altcoin selection, low trading fees, IEOs. You're going to want to stick around for that if you can pass KYC. That's another thing. And other features we'll go over in this video. Now, I've been a Kucoin user since 2017. I guess one of the early registered users, and now they have over 10 million with good reason. They are a top 5 crypto exchange. They are very well ranked. It's very safe, and we're gonna go over those reasons in this Kucoin 2022 review. Disclosure, this video is sponsored by Kucoin, but I'm happy that happened because I love using Kucoin. I'm pretty sincere about that. I've mentioned trading on there before. I've made videos on that in the past, and they weren't sponsored. So it is pretty cool that things are coming full circle and they want a 2022 Kucoin review from me. And additionally, none of this is financial advice. I'm just going to show you how to use the platform, what are the features, and the best way to get full value from your experience. So reason number 1, KYC is optional. Now that means you can start using the Kucoin platform with just an email address, password, and 2-factor authentication. And to use the Kucoin platform, you need to deposit or withdraw crypto only if you are a non-KYC'd user. If you are a KYC'd user, you'd be able to do a bank transfer, SEPA transfer, debit card. There's a lot of different ways you can use it. But if you are from the US, you are not eligible to go through KYC, but that doesn't necessarily mean you can't use the platform. And that's like one of my favorite things. Kucoin is accessible to everybody because the US exchanges are extremely limited as far as coin selection, which brings me to our next point, the altcoin selection. The altcoin selection on Kucoin is amazing. Like, you can get access to a lot of coins early. And if you get access to those coins early and it's a good project, and then that coin gets listed on other exchanges, you can benefit from that financially as more people can buy into the coin. Now, that's not financial advice. There's no guarantee that can happen, but Kucoin does list more altcoins than a lot of its major competitors. So that just creates more opportunities for you. And that brings us to our next point, number 3, IEOs, initial exchange offerings. This is done through Kucoin Spotlight. And it's also done through Kucoin Burning Drop. So let me explain Kucoin Spotlight. That is their IEO, initial exchange offering. You can participate by staking the KCS token, that is the Kucoin platform token, and that gets you a chance to get the coin before it starts trading on the platform. Now, Kucoin Spotlight has done a lot of projects in the past, and you can see the coin performance from the Spotlight offer since listing and then trading has gone up significantly for a lot of coins. So if you do want to get a lot of those gains and you are not from the US and you are eligible to go through KYC, you can use Kucoin Spotlight. Kucoin Spotlight is not available for users that do not go through the KYC process. Now, Kucoin Burning Drop, that allows you to stake assets like USDT, KCS, ETH, whatever it may be, to access that coin early. So you will be earning interest in that new coin in its very early stages. There is a limited supply. It's a little different from Kucoin Spotlight because you are putting up money and then getting that token early. So you are getting rewarded by having that token early by staking coins you would have anyway. So it is kind of a low risk way of investing in a new token. Next up, Kucoin Earn. Kucoin Earn allows you to earn crypto passive income in a lot of different ways. So there is staking, there's savings, there's flexible, there's fixed. There's a lot of different options here. Now, staking by itself is one of the popular ways to earn crypto passive income, but being able to do that all within one exchange is very, very useful because you don't have to manage multiple wallets, you don't have to manage the withdrawals, the keys. All of this is done through one centralized platform, which makes it very convenient. So you don't have to overcommit to a coin, you don't have to do anything too confusing. It just makes it a lot simpler to manage multiple staking funds and savings accounts. So if you are new to crypto and want to understand staking, going through a centralized platform is the easiest way to do it. Lending. Kucoin also has a lending marketplace where you can lend or borrow coins for a certain rate. Now that depends on the market rate, but in some situations, the lending rates can be incredibly lucrative. So it depends on the coin, the demand, and what people want to do with the coin. So the market conditions can consistently change, but the interest rates you can get on the Kucoin lending marketplace can be significantly higher than any other platform that I've seen, just because you're holding that coin, people want to borrow it. That is the lending marketplace. Trading bots. Kucoin has free trading bots for you to use, and this all depends on the coins you want to trade and the market conditions. So you have to kind of pick the coin, and then you have to determine if the coin is going sideways, if it's going up, if it's going down, and depending on the strategy that you use, you can make more money than holding that coin. So Kucoin does offer these free trading bots for you to use, and it can be very lucrative if you use it in the right conditions. Low trading fees. Kucoin has incredibly low trading fees at 0.1%, and that drops down by 20% to 0.08% if you pay trading fees with the KCS token. Now, additionally, I do have a referral link that gets you 20% off those already low trading fees, making it 0.06% if you use my referral code and the KCS token to pay trading fees. So overall, 0.06% per trade. Now, if you compare that to a decentralized exchange, a DEX, those trading fees are typically 0.3%. That's 5 times higher, and you're paying gas fees. So a lot of people do turn to decentralized exchanges because their access is limited or they don't want to get tracked. So that is also possible on Kucoin because there's no KYC, so and the trading fees are much lower. So I would recommend using Kucoin just because the fees overall are much lower and the user experience is much better. Now let's go over some other features real quick here. Kucoin does have a built-in social trading platform. It's getting developed where you can get news and updates about the coins you're already trading and you're following. There's also futures trading with up to 100x leverage. I don't recommend using that unless you know what you're doing and you understand the risk. And from an actual user perspective, I love using Kucoin because of their smart trading features. You can buy, sell things by 25, 50, 75, 100%. I do a lot of limit orders, and that might change from time to time. If I have 100% set and then I change the price, the actual amount that I'm buying updates in real time. Now, this is just a little thing I've been frustrated on other exchanges where I have to keep hitting 100% again, but in my opinion, Kucoin has an excellent user experience because it knows what you're going to do and it helps you do that easily. Now let's also talk about the KCS token, the Kucoin token, and its utility. The KCS token does get you 20% off your trading fees. It also allows you to participate in certain features like Kucoin Spotlight and Burning Drop. For Kucoin Spotlight, KYC is required, but for the other things, you don't necessarily need to go through KYC. The Kucoin token does have a lot of utility there, and KCS is the official fuel of the KCC network. That is the Kucoin community chain. So it is a smart contract platform where you can trade similar to Binance Smart Chain, Wobi Eco Chain, and other smart contract networks like that. So they are building a decentralized ecosystem, and the fuel for that will be the KCS token. And you also earn interest on holding that KCS token daily. I do recommend claiming the rewards every day, otherwise you don't earn interest on unclaimed rewards. Now to recap, I love using Kucoin just because it is an excellent user experience. They have an excellent selection of altcoins. That's actually what I really go there for. There are a lot of gems. I don't mention these coins because 1, I don't want to pump them, and 2, I don't want to be responsible if the coin goes up or down. It is a little more risk and it is still in its early stages. So if you do want to take on some risk, which can create a lot of opportunity, not financial advice, the altcoin selection on Kucoin is the reason why you want to be there, as well as the low trading fees and the excellent user experience. Now, if you haven't signed up yet, I do have a referral code. It does get you 20% off your trading fees, as well as a sign-up bonus, and you'll find out more about that in the description. And if you want to learn more about Kucoin and some of their other products, check out this Ultimate Kucoin playlist. Yeah, I have all my Kucoin videos in there. There are some excellent tutorials, and you'll learn how to get familiar with some of the things that are available on Kucoin. And with that, I hope you got your full value for today.